Say hey, baby.
Hey, baby. It's the company. There's the company, okay? Meet the team. Okay, you need to do TikTok for real. We could meet the team. What time is it? Well, I'm like, laughter.
Hey y'all, it's Charity and I'm here with a different kind of video today. I know you guys are used to sublimation and apparel making style videos and custom gifts. However, this is the other part of my business. This is what I do. If you have been watching our lives and follow us on any other type of social media, except for Facebook, you would have seen the construction of the marquee letters over to the left, numbers over to the left, that my husband and brother are working on. They are definitely a part of the company, part of Aronson Company, which is my business. Also, my brother's beautiful girlfriend Chelsea is also on site to help as well. She's also a part of the team. So all the balloons that you see for the base have been blown up by myself and my daughter Eris. She's 5, and we pretty much just transported it to the location and then started the construction. So that's what you're seeing. I know you typically don't see balloons here on this channel, but I just wanted to see if you guys were interested in seeing more and getting more details, because I absolutely love balloons. It's like my favorite thing. Here we're just filling in with the small clusters and things of that nature, hanging up our sign so that we can inevitably hide our sign. So yeah, we're super excited. We're local to the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If you're interested in either classes or you want us to make something beautiful for your special day or event, we love to do this. Obviously, this is sped up, but it takes some time. Eris and I blew balloons up probably for an hour, and then this setup time was 2 hours. So you're seeing everything nice, quick, and easy. But I'll give you guys the brand information on these colors. They came together beautifully. Most of the balloons, 3 of the 4 colors are Batalitex. The only color that is Qualitex is the red. So yeah, those are the balloons. I know it's a balloon shortage right now, but you know, you have to really get them in advance for events and things like that. So I'll let you guys see this video. I have a little clip of the balloon wall being enjoyed in real time, as well as a sped up version of the takedown. So just consider all this work to put it up and get it right, only for a moment. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching, and let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this, more tutorials, slower, whatever.